My name is Suci Marina Rumapea with student number 2303050013. In this opportunity, I would like to present you my result about article review with the title Learners Listening Comprehension, Difficulties in English Language Learning, Literature Review. Well, in this opportunity, I want to explain 8 parts. The first one is introduction, research objective, research method, literature review, research result, weakness of the article, advantage of the article, and conclusion. In the last part, I will open a discussion, and I hope you prepared yourself. Maybe you have any question for me. Well, we move to the first part, introduction. The article Learners Listening Comprehension Difficulties in English Language Learning discusses the importance of listening skill in English language learning. Actually, in this article, the author explained about what the struggle faced in my students when they learn about listening. So, there are 3 main challenge for the student. The first one is poor audio, and then different accent, and the last is unfamiliar vocabulary. After the author explained about main challenge of a student to face in listening skill, the author also write solution or strategy to overcome this issue. And then the article also explained recommendation for teachers to make learn activities so fun for students. Research objective. The first, identify the difficulties faced by English as a foreign language in listening comprehension. Like I said before, there are 3 main challenges faced in students when they listening about the audio. There are, like I said before, the first one is poor audio. So when the audio so noisy, the student can hear clearly what the speaker say. The second one is unfamiliar vocabulary. So the student who have a little of the little knowledge about vocabulary, when they heard from the audio, they can feel struggle because they have only limit vocabulary. The last is different accent. So as we know, different accent can make a struggle for students. We have our lecturer have a different accent with us. So for me, especially when he talks something, sometimes I don't know what he say. So it can be struggle for students too. The second research objective is provide insight to teacher to overcome these difficulties by developing effective listening teaching strategies. So, like I said before, there are 3 main challenges. So, there are 3 strategies for the teacher to overcome the issue. The first one is metacognitive. The second one is cognitive strategies, and the last is socio-affective strategies. Research method. The article collects and analyzes various previous studies related to listening comprehension. So, actually, the author not use quantity or qualitative, but the author use literature review. So, it means like the author adopt various previous studies related to listening comprehension, maybe from the article, the other journal, who read by another author. The second is, the focus is to identify relevant challenge, strategies, and solutions from various existing literature. So, this article focus to find relevant challenge for students when they listening some audio for a learn activity. And then the article also identify what strategies to overcome these issues. And the last is solution. There are for teachers to overcome the issue. The first one is use authentic materials, and then try to introduce different accents to reduce student knowledge. The last research method is analyzing the definition of listening comprehension, listening strategies, the main problems faced by students in listening comprehension, and recommendation to improve listening teaching and learning. So before the author explain what is the main problems faced by students, the author explained what is listening comprehension before, and then explain about the main problems. Like I said before, three main challenge, and then two recommendation for teachers, which is use authentic materials and try to introduce different accent to the student. Literature review. The literature review of this article discusses listening comprehension difficulties in learning English as a foreign language. So it means like the author in this article adopt another study like maybe article. There are 6 literature review. The first one is definition of listening and listening comprehension. So the author explain what is listening comprehension, adopted by maybe the study right by Chastain 1971. The second, the importance of listening in language learning. So as we know, in the school, listening skills so rarely to teaching. Only reading skills, and then writing skill and grammar. So in this article, the author explained about listening skill is so important for students. For me, when I start my study in this college, I feel so struggle because when I was in school, I never learned about listening. So the first semester in intensive listening, we have to learn from the audio. So I feel so struggle. I don't know what the speaker said because the first one I have a unfamiliar vocabulary and I struggle in different accent like that. Difficulty in listening comprehension. The study right by Azmi Bingol et al. 2014. So in this previous article, the author from difficulty in listening comprehension convention explained 3 main challenges like I said before. The first one is poor audio, and then unfamiliar vocabulary and different accent. Listening comprehension strategy. Well, in this article, the author explained what the strategy to overcome this issue. Like I said before, there are 3 strategies. The first one is cognitive strategy, and then metacognitive strategy, and the last one socio-affective strategy. And then previous research findings and recommendation based on literature. So the author found many literature. So from the literature, the author get some recommendation for teachers to overcome the issue. Well, we move to the main part of my presentation today, research result. From the analysis of the literature study, several important findings can be concluded as a result of the study, namely the first one, difficulty in listening comprehension. So I will explain more about the main challenge faced by students when they listen some audio for learn activity. First one is poor audio. So when the student hear the speaker from the audio and the audio so noisy, it can be struggle for students because they cannot know what the speaker say. And the second is unfamiliar vocabulary. So the student who have only limit vocabulary, maybe they can feel struggle when they heard when they heard speakers say between learned activity. Maybe they never heard the vocabulary before, so they can ask for themselves like what the speaker say like that. And the last is different accent. Like I said before, for example, me when our lecturer talks something, sometimes I feel so struggle because I don't know what he said. So for me, I agree with this article because different accent can be factors for students to feel struggle when they listen some audio. And then the importance of listening strategy. So when we was in the school, listening skill related to teaching, only grammar, speaking, and then reading, and then writing. So in this article, the author thought listening so important. So when we face in some struggle when listen some audio, we have in this article we know the three strategy: metacognitive, cognitive, and socio-affective. And then factors that affect listening success. In this part, teacher's role. The teacher's role. The teacher's roles have a big impact for students for the success in listening comprehension. And then recommendation for teachers. There are two recommendations for teachers. The first one is use authentic material. When the teacher use authentic material, the student can feel fun when they learn about something from the audio. The second recommendation for teachers is try to introduce different accent. So it can make student understanding to reduce. So here I found three weaknesses of the article. The first one is limited sample. The article may not include data from diverse educational contexts or different cultural backgrounds. So like I said before, the author used literature review, so she or he only used maybe in one previous study, and then she or he not try to found another data to this article. The second weakness of the article is lack of empirical data. Although the article presents a comprehensive literature review, there may be a lack of empirical data to support the findings and recommendations provided. So, the article used literature review, so like I said before in the first weakness of the article, the author not try to find another data to support their findings, so it can be weakness of this article. The last weakness of the article is focus on general strategies. The article introduced various listening strategies, but does not provide detailed guidance on how to implement them specifically in the classroom. So, this article have a clear focus about main challenge and then about the strategies to face in and the recommendation for teachers. But this article does not provide how to implement the strategies and solution in the classroom. So it can be a weakness of this article. Well, we move to advantage of the article. The first one, practical relevance. By suggesting concrete strategies that can be used in teaching, the article provides practical value for educators. So, the article explain about main challenge and strategies. Then, what the authors explain in this article so concrete, and it can be advantage of this article. The second advantage of the article is clear focus. The article specifically discusses the difficulties faced by students in listening comprehension, which is an important aspect of learning English language. And then the last advantage of this article, comprehension literature review. The article includes a wide-ranging literature review of various previous studies related to listening comprehension. So, the author adopt another article or another study about listening comprehension and relate to she or he research. And for me, it can be advantage of this article. So, now I want to ask to Ms. Sudawati, have you ever feel struggle when you hear some audio for our learn activity?
For listening. Okay. So listening is a complex process that involves not just hearing but also processing the information, right? So I have several struggles when I listen to the audio. Maybe sometimes I have limited vocabulary, and spoken usually not compared to the handwritten, and then the accent is different. So that's my experience.
So what you do to overcome this case?
Sorry?
What you do to overcome this case?
To solve the problem.
Yeah.
Maybe I change my practice. Maybe I not listening to formal audio. Maybe I listen to the popular song.
Oh, thank you. What about you, Mutiara? Have you ever struggled when you hear some audio?
I don't struggle with listening very much, but there are some factors that could make me struggle. For example, if they speak quickly, if there are any references, or if they use phrases or accents I'm not very familiar of.
So what you can do to overcome this case?
Usually when it comes to that, I either look for maybe a subtitle, and after I know what they say. Once I usually able to know what they're saying next time I hear from that audio.
Thank you. What about you, Imelda? Still same question.
Yes, of course I have a struggle with this discuss. For example, content vocabulary and foreign accent. Same like your had explained.
So what you do to overcome this case?
My way to overcome this problem, I usually listen a podcast every day and listening to music. Yes.
David? Have you ever feel struggle when you hear some audio for our learning activity?
Of course, yes, yeah. When we, like you said before, when we in one semester, I think, in intensive listening, we learn about the outcome, about something that connect with our audio. And I think the first one is my struggle. First one is concentration problem, environments, noisy, and something else. And I would do the same things to overcome this struggle, like Mutiara, Wisudawati, and Rubelda said.
Thank you, David. Okay. Last, I wanna ask to Miss Okta. Have you ever struggled when you hear some audio for our learn activity? Oh yeah. So what you do to overcome your struggle?
Practice, practice.
So simple lah. Well, conclusion for my presentation today. Complexity of listening understanding. So this article have explanation so complex about listening understanding. The author explain what is listening comprehension, and then it made me know more about listening. And then the second conclusion is the main problems faced by students in listening comprehension. So there are three main challenges or three main problems for students, which are poor audio, unfamiliar vocabulary, and then different accent. The third is the importance of listening strategy. So to overcome every struggle faced by students, we have now what is strategy to overcome. So there are three strategies. The first one is metacognitive, cognitive, and socio-affective. And then teachers' role in helping students success in listening comprehension. So like I said before, maybe some of us want to be a teacher, right?
Yeah.
So for me, this article so useful because this article explain many struggle and explain about strategy to overcome the struggle. So for me, it's so helpful. The last one is suggestion for listening learning. So there are two suggestion or recommendation. The first one is use authentic material to make fun activity, learning activity. And the last suggestion is try to introduce different accents, so it can to reduce student knowledge. Well, we move to the discussion session. So if you have any question, feel free to ask me. Anyone? Yes, Romina?
Thank you. So my name is Romina. I will ask you, what is the main reason students have difficulty in understanding listening?
The main reason is because in school there is more learning the focus on grammar, reading and writing, and vocabulary. So while listening skills are often ignored. So in this article, the author explained listening skills so important too.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes, Imelda.
My name is Imelda Toro. I would like to ask you this. What kind of listening strategy is explained in this book?
Strategy to overcome the struggle.
Yes.
Like I said before, the first one is cognitive strategy, and then socio-affective, and the last is metacognitive. Well,
How can teachers improve student listening skills?
oh, teachers can try by providing authentic material, like I said before, in the suggestion of or recommendation, and then try to introduce different accent, like that. Yes, miss.
So thank you for the opportunity. I have a question. What is the solution that this article offers for student listening difficulties?
Oh, my answer will same with Miss Mutiara. Use use authentic materials and try to introduce different accents so it can be easy to student understand what the speaker said from the audio.
So my question is, what is a top-down strategy in listening?
Top-down. Top-down strategy is a strategy that involves first setting, like interpretation or visualization. Yes.
So, thank you for your opportunity. So, you said that metacognitive is one of the solutions that teachers can use to improve students' listening skills, right? So, my question is, why metacognitive strategy is important in listening?
Because this strategy helps planning and monitoring and evaluating the learning process, miss. Like that.
Thank you.
Yes, Miss Dina.
My question is, what is meant by cognitive strategy in listening?
Cognitive strategy is a strategy involves the process of understanding and storing input in short term or memorizing. Like that. Yes, Miss Tara.
Why do students often find it difficult to understand certain accents?
Sorry?
Why do students often find it difficult to understand certain accents?
Because different accent both from native speakers and non-native speakers can interfere with the understanding process, miss. Yes, sir.
My question is, what are the examples of learning activities from cognitive, metacognitive, and socio-affective strategies?
Well, for cognitive strategies, for example, students listen to audio, then record what they hear, and then the student repeat and mention what they heard from the audio. And then for the metacognitive strategy, it's mean like planning before learning. So the meaning is the teachers ask students to say their listening goals, then write down what different they face in when they try to listen. And the last, socio-affective, right? Socio-affective. Socio-affective strategies can be done by discussion by group or try to discussion with native speakers, sir.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Any question? Yes, sir.
My name is Rastudana Rampusunggu. Thank you for our opportunity. My question is, how does the use of authentic materials affect the improvement of listening skills?
Well, authentic materials help students understand natural ways of speaking and increase confidence in listening, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, Miss.
My question is, what is meant by social affective strategy in Latin school?
Social affective. Social affective strategies involve cooperation with others. Like maybe you have to discuss by group or you have to discuss to native speakers, like that. Yes, sir.
Thank you for the opportunity. My question is, what is the relationship between mastering grammar and listening comprehension? Thank you.
Mastering grammar helps students understand the structure of sentence in listening text. So this is increasing comprehension, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Anyone else? Yes, Miss Rilin.
Okay. What is the importance of repeat listening practice?
Repeat exercise helps students capture the thoughts that may have been missed before, and then can make strengthen their understanding of the text. No one? If someone wants to give comment for me, feel free. Oh yes, Miss Paulina.
Okay, thank you. I have a comment video. So today your presentation is good, you smile, you're relaxed, mastering your material. So your presentation is very good.
Thank you.
Yes, go on.
Your presentation today is very good you are very invested in your material. You seem to master your material rather well, and you are also seems very cheerful. One thing I would say is that sometimes I feel like your pronunciation is a little off, and I think that's all.
Yes, Miss Liu.
First of all, Miss Suci Rubabaya, thank you for your presentation today. I think you do the better version of you. You did a great job, Suci. I think overall this presentation is totally good, yeah. And you do body movement, you smile every time, your voice volume is good. And yeah, thank you.
Miss Okta, do you have any comment for me?
Please. So, I have a comment for you. Your presentation today is good. Good job. You speak really loudly. We can hear you. We can understand what you said. You smile and you relax. You master your material and that's the strength of your presentation. But I think I hear some misspelling from your pronunciations. I think that's all from me.
Yeah, can give applause for Miss Suci. Okay, Suci, today your presentation is very good. I like that. And you try to interact with the audience and you master the materials. Sometimes you have a mispronunciations, but it's okay because we are learning, right? We are learning, and also you have a good body language. Yeah, you try to use your hand gestures, smiles, you do the eye contact. Yeah, I like it. And for today, your presentation is very good.
Well, that's all for my presentation today. Thank you for your attention and good afternoon.